Welcome to Edinburgh, the funniest capital of Scotland. Get ready to embark on a hysterical journey as we explore the enchanting sights and immerse ourselves in the ridiculously rich history and vibrant culture of this magnificent city. Picture this, a breathtaking aerial view of Edinburgh, nestled between rolling hills and the sparkling waters of the Firth of Forth. This city is like a hidden gem, except it's not really hidden because it's right there on the map. Known for its striking architecture and medieval charm, it's the kind of place where you'll find unicorns casually strolling down the street. Okay, maybe not unicorns, but you never know. Our first stop is the iconic Edinburgh Castle. Imagine standing at the top of Castle Rock, gazing at the majestic fortress with its towering walls and stunning views. It's like stepping back in time, except with better Wi-Fi. And don't forget to check out the crown jewels and the historic royal chambers. They're so fancy, they'll make you feel like a humble court jester. Now, let's take a hilarious stroll down the historic Royal Mile. This bustling street connects Edinburgh Castle to the Palace of Holyroodhouse, and it's a true feast for the senses. You'll find yourself surrounded by charming shops, lively pubs, and captivating architecture. It's like a never-ending parade of bagpipes, kilts, and people trying to pronounce scone correctly. Hint, it rhymes with gone but tastes way better. At the end of the Royal Mile, we reach Holyrood Palace, the official residence of the British monarch in Scotland. Imagine walking in the footsteps of royalty as you explore the opulent state apartments and take a leisurely stroll through the beautiful palace gardens. Just make sure you don't accidentally sit on the throne. We wouldn't want any royal mishaps, now would we? Now, let's escape the hustle and bustle for a moment of tranquility and breathtaking views. We're headed to Arthur's Seat, an ancient volcano that offers a peaceful retreat from the city buzz. Hike to the summit and be rewarded with panoramic vistas that stretch as far as the eye can see. It's like being on top of the world, except you won't need oxygen masks or a passport. No trip to Edinburgh would be complete without a visit to the Royal Yacht Britannia. Step aboard this floating palace that once served as a luxurious retreat for Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II and the royal family. Explore the elegant staterooms, pretend to give royal speeches, and make sure to ask the tour guide if they have a discount for aspiring monarchs. You never know. Calling all art enthusiasts. The Scottish National Gallery awaits you. Lose yourself in a world-class collection of masterpieces, from Renaissance classics to modern works of art. With renowned artists like Rembrandt, Turner, and Van Gogh, this gallery is a visual feast that will make you appreciate the fact that stick figures are not considered fine art. As the sun sets, Edinburgh transforms into a captivating city of lights. The illuminated streets and landmarks create a magical ambience that's hard to resist. Take a leisurely stroll along the cobblestone alleys, treat yourself to traditional Scottish cuisine, haggis, anyone, and immerse yourself in the lively nightlife that Edinburgh has to offer. Just remember to dance like nobody's watching, but let's hope someone is, because otherwise, it's just awkward. Edinburgh, with its ancient castles, picturesque landscapes, vibrant festivals, and warm hospitality, is a city that captures the hearts and tickles the funny bones of all who visit. We hope this virtual tour has inspired you to plan your own unforgettable journey to this remarkable Scottish gem. Thank you for joining us on this